This is so easy to fly. It just sits there. Hey, I'm here. Hello. This is a really cool drone that I got. Now, I haven't really flown drones before, so I'm not really good at it. But supposedly this one is really easy. So it comes folded in a box. So you get a drone, you get 2 batteries, and you get a controller. So let's give it a try. I want to try the app so bad. I think I'm going to try the app. What you do is you put your phone over here, right? So you have your controls over here. And now you could try the app. So here we go. We got the app connected. Enter device. It works via Wi-Fi. Oh, I can see the camera already. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. There we go. Hey. So I could change the angle of the camera too. This is so easy to fly. It just sits there. Hey, I'm here. Hello. This is nice. This button, when you push it, it goes and does tricks. Follow surrounding slide. Gotta keep it away from the camera. The camera is the only obstacle that I have over here. Okay, it just sits there. That's pretty nice until I figure this thing out. That's really awesome. I feel a little bit rushed because the battery is running out, but you have 2 of them, 20 minutes of flight. Look, no, I'm not doing anything. It just follows me. Basically follows the phone.